DLRs, hey, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking boat hoist today, or personal watercraft or jet ski hoist. And in the event that you are trying to figure out the answer to the question, should you invest or replace your old bunks or just buy a brand new hoist altogether, this might be the video that helps answer that question. Let's take a look. In the water now, let's take a closer view of the bunks themselves. Again, as you can see, first glance, the carpet is peeling away. And the right bunk itself, it's cracked. Look at that. Not good. It's no longer flush with the aluminum track or rail that it secures to. When the weight of the jet ski is on that specific bunk, it blows out and it does not look safe or secure. And as far as measurements, we have a 2" by 6" by 84" bunk on each side. I'm not going to bore you with it in this video. However, we've got 3 sets of hardware or bolt and nut on each bunk. I'll use my impact wrench to remove each of those. I'll take the bunks to the local marina. They are going to basically match the board measurements, custom drill or pre-drill each of the hardware holes, and I will get treated wood and fresh new carpet. These boards are old and will go in the garbage. Alright DLRs, hey, quick break in the action. And again, moving forward at this point will be personal preference. However, in our case, the hoist itself and all the mechanical parts, they're in good working order still. And because of that, in our opinion, with our exact hoist, it's worth investing in. And you've got 2 options when moving forward. In our case, as we just mentioned, we're going to pull those boards off, take it to the local marina, and get brand new boards. And then bring the new boards home, reverse the steps, and install them. Option number 2, you can purchase pre-made bunks. And we will have links down below in the comments and description for those. Definitely check those out. They come in several different measurements, and you can also purchase bunks that have a padding installed in between the carpet and the board itself. And just like the boards I'll get at the marina, the wood inside the bunks in the links down below in the comments and description is treated, which is extremely important for the longevity of the wood itself underneath that carpet and padding. So again, to answer the question, is your hoist worth investing in and getting brand new bunks installed? In our case, with our hoist, yes. And from here, moving forward, let's take a look at these old bunks removed and the impact wrench I used to loosen up the hardware, followed by the brand new bunks installed.